Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I actually picked out what we're gonna play instead of just scrolling, because, I just started YouTube yesterday. I used to play 5 years ago. But anyway, I actually picked an Airplane 3 story. I don't think I've ever beaten this, but I remember enjoying it very much. So here we are playing it again. Okay, leave. Play as 2. Probably going in this one. Oh, I did win once, look at that. Four people. I don't think we're gonna win with 4 people. Gonna sit near the edge. I wanted to read what they said. Secret mission. That's what all of them say. Can I pick this up? No? Okay. There's only it's me? Wow, there's 3 people. No. So I actually know. I some of this is coming back to me. Just Rainbow Friends. Maybe I'll beat Rainbow Friends again today. I forgot his name, bro. Poncho. Poncho is that thing you wear when it's raining. It's basically a raincoat, but why would you get that? You buy a raincoat. Oh, maybe it's because it's longer. I don't even know what he said. All it says, or you will be expelled from the team. Oh, you must follow my I don't even remember. Where do people come up with these names? Every single time I try to come up with a name, it's kind of stupid. I was writing a story the other day and I couldn't come up with a freaking name for the main character. And I worked for so long to come up with a name. The name it ended up being was Amelia, so it wasn't that good. So let's get to the point, you guys. Well, you better get to it. Okay. That guy looks like, this is our target. I don't see no target sign on him, huh? I draw a target sign. Just go. Okay, kind of loopy today. What did he do? I know what he did. He's in that stupid play. I forgot his name already. Ronald. Oh no! Everyone in that plane must be in danger. Let me do that. That's right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot. Everyone is safe. I think that's his voice, isn't it? Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely. We will find Ronald. Bro, I left for 2 seconds and all of a sudden, okay, following you, sir. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna go ahead of you. Bye. I know what to do already. Jump. Do you think those guys think I'm crazy? Let's see, what are these guys' names? Let's see. Bossman Jeff 0001. Half _ is 9. Yes, I'm ready. Look, I hate this Roblox thing. Like, literally right. Oh, it teleported. That's great. Look, there's like. Oh, okay. Going down. Really? I thought we were going up, bro. Oh my god. Did you have. Oh, I think somebody dropped. Anyway, did you ever have that thing like when you couldn't do your left and right? And they told you to put up like 2 L's, and then like the one that makes the proper L is left? Like, imagine nobody heard about this and I'm making a video. That was just like, oh yeah, did you hear about? Like, no. I hope you did hear about. I loved that thing. Like, what color uniform should I get? Like, why are they disgracing uniforms, bro? Why are they making red and pink? Like, green is OG. You cannot. I would want a purple uniform. But anyway, green is OG. You cannot go wrong with. Ew, I look ugly in green. Never mind, you can look ugly in green. But green is OG, so you can't complain. I want to get the red nozzle, but I feel like if somebody would get the red nozzle for me, I really want to get the red nozzle. Because the red nozzle is the easiest if you don't know red and green are the easiest, and everything else is really hard. I remember I always used to die here, because I just cannot jump whenever I need to jump, and I jump when I don't need to jump. Like what? Zero! Oh wait, he's gonna go check the plain nozzles, we know this. No! I wanna go see the red thing. Are these guys noobs, bro? Just go to the things and start doing them. I'm not gonna follow the general. I remember one time I had to do all the nozzles by myself. It's so annoying. Oh no, it looks like we don't have enough fuel. We'll need to fill the plate tank completely before we can take off. That is a fuel nozzle. Really? Well look, there I am. I swear, if that guy goes against the red one before me, I'm going to be really mad. I need you to help me connect to the plane. Oh, that guy's actually killing me. Connect the nozzles to the plane, depending on its color. I swear if that guy's following me, like, he better not be. Okay, good. He's getting the other one. Why am I moving so much? Okay, anyway. Imagine I die. Like, the whole point of this game is for me not to die, right? Imagine I just go, oops. Bro, why is he struggling so hard? I did it in like 2 seconds. I will fill the tank once all the nozzles are in place. Is anybody getting ease? You guys, I feel like this one's super dangerous. Hello, let me grab it, thank you. You guys, I did it. I did 2 nozzles. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. I did 2 nozzles. Excellent. Yeah, I know. I'm so excellent. Look, why is there a random teddy bear then? Wait. Bro, I want to show you guys that random teddy bear. Did you guys see that random teddy bear? Or is that just me? Am I imagining a teddy bear? Oh my god, stores are actually so annoying. They start selling Halloween candy and like... oh my god, this thing is going to like land on... Look, I'm not joking, there's a teddy bear here. It's like an army missionary camp. Who needs to like hug a teddy bear? I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark. He will be our pilot through this mission. Really, bro, I did that. System is ready, General. Please start the engine. Oh, wait, wrong background. Please stop the engine, pilot. Starting the engine. They started the engine. Oh, the engine is the thing that makes it flap. I thought those were called like turbines. Oh wait, that's. See, my knowledge of planes is not very much. Opening back. Yeah, why is there a teddy bear? Anyway, get in there and find a seat before we close the door. Bro, why is he doing that? Like what? I'm gonna sit, but why is he? Does he have a problem? First person is so weird to play this game. I know some people. Wow, I can see right through me. Good luck, soldier. Are you not gonna help us, General Poncho? Well, my name right now is Mooch. There's only 2 people in this game. Or maybe it's just me. What? There's only 2 people in this game. We are now flying in the kidnapped plane's direction. Wait, the animations aren't half bad for this. Even so, we still have a few hours until we get there. Well, good persons can sometimes be bad people. I thought we were making stew soup with them. Like what, bro? Wait, the plane is actually like tilting. It's like, here you go, everyone have a banana. Thanks. You might need the energy. I'm very energetic. Look at that. What? Wait, no. Don't eat the banana. I didn't. It's poisoned. Good for me to know. Did he eat the banana? It's an old prank. It's okay. I'm really energetic. I don't. How dare you speak back to the general? Is there like a medical case? I need to go get the medical case. Why won't it let me freaking jump? I don't want the medical case. Oh, it's 25 Robux. Ooh, super scary. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. I feel like General Poncho. It's night. Looks like we are in someone's store. We need to be ready in case we have to. We have to what? Get struck by lightning. Oops. Right there. Oh, I think this is the one where you like go out onto the lane and try to save that person. Yes, it does. Everyone, I just like lost a person, bro. Out there. Wait, I think the other person left. I think I'm the only person here. Oh no, the other person's still here. I need to cover him. How do you cover? Isn't this the thing where we run away from lightning or whatever? I will fix the medkit as quickly as I can. Why are we out here, bro, General? Fix the motor. Come Why am I covering me? Oh, I finally get what he means by cover me. So basically, we're like, oh look, captains. Bro, why is there so much lightning? Oh my god, I'm going to die. Does this place even ever get lightning? Like, I might have found a hack. This metal square doesn't get lightning. Oh, okay, this metal square might get lightning. Maybe not. Literally, I'm just staying here the whole time. Don't feel like jumping. Oh, this metal square does get hit by lightning. Good to know. Imagine I get struck the last second because I didn't move fast enough. What is that music? Da -da 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 -da. Bro just like fell up. What's he still fixing? Then he's like bending on the floor, scraping the floor. This is a bug. He's still scraping the Ah, what am I yelling? Oh my god. Look at that skeleton. Oh, where? Oh, quickly, inside the plane. There we go, inside the plane. Now please look at the video and see what's happening. Oh. What is this step? I realize how fake this is now after playing. Imagine these guys are part of like the heist or whatever. Pay close attention. Bro's still fixing something on the ground. Like, what do you see, bro? What is Bro fixing? Bro, is he ever gonna stop fixing that stupid imaginary thing? Like, is he like doing the army crawl? I don't think army soldiers crawl that like on elegantly. Isn't that like good luck, soldier? Aren't you like the freaking? This is it. We are in the plane. Being transported. What are you fixing? This guy's getting on my nerves. Oh, this is the door? Okay. Why, Ronald? Well, great ambitions, but why? Well, it won't let me go in the storage. And cheese. Are we actually supposed to? I did? Oh, I didn't find that. I was like, I did. Oh, that was. Hi, Ronald. Bro, I want to go talk to him while you get to do all the talking. I want to talk. Bro, he's just marching away from us. I'd be scared if my whole operation was going to be destroyed. Cool, if you'd let me go, I would save everything. Oh my god, I suck at this. You're welcome, bro. All the noobs are now safe. That's such great. The captain. Uh-oh. Who's that? Bro, it's still the general. He's like crawling. Why are you crawling? This is the bug in this game, bro. All he does is still fix that stupid plane engine. Me. You. What? I want to do it. No, I don't. I don't trust anyone with the name Bossman Jeff 001. You have such a polite way to talk. He's gonna say no, obviously. Like, if I were this criminal, why would I say what? Why would you open a door? How did you get here? I don't know, bro. But why would you open a door if you wanted? If I were a criminal, I would just open the door and be like, yep, I'm ready to chat. I deserve this. You deserve killing 500 people. What? Why would this actually work? Like, in real life, this would never work. I'm here now. Lol. We can be your friends. Well, let's go. We can save you. Yes. Let's go. But if I was a criminal, I would do that. I've taken things too far. No. It's never too late. Literally, this is so cringe. I can't believe I used to say it. Wow. This is actually the cringiest thing ever. I thought this was gonna be like a shooting fighter game. JK. Oh my god. Bro's just dying and choking all of a sudden. Shoot! You see the fire? Where'd that fire come from? General, pay attention, bro. You're still fixing the imaginary thing. It's like a glitch, bro. There is no time. The plane is about to explode. What do you want me to do? Run out? Take this what parachute? What about you? You won't? Yes, I will. I will leave in 2 seconds. Flat. On the left. I just died. What backdoor emergency, bro? Did you guys see any backdoor emergency? I don't know how they worked, but I almost survived if I knew what the heck the backdoor emergency was. Anyway, see you next time. Dun dun dun! Bye.